latest reaction review. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well, and I'm stoked for today's reaction because this is a music video reaction and this is a song which is sung by Srinath, and I adore Srinath a lot. And you guys have only told me, few of the viewers, that he was also a singer. So this is a song which is sung by him. The song is called Cozy Punk, and couple of viewers actually DM'd me when the song had released. So yes, I'm here with the reaction of Cozy Punk official music video. Let's just start because it's a 4-minute 37-second song. So we will start with the reaction. Okay. Oh, somebody also told me that he had a band, like he's part of a band.
Now watch.
I'll be happy if you elaborate on that. Oh, let me check if this has subtitles, I think. Wait. English. Oh, but I think it's just the English translate. Oh, okay, fine. So I won't be able to understand the meaning of this song. Guys, help this little person out here, okay? With the meaning. Okay, so I'll just enjoy and just vibe to the song. Okay. Is it a funny song? Because of the music, I'm guessing. He's adorable. Oh yes, awesome. Oh my god, I wish I knew the meaning. Oh, that music. I think the alien toy has to do something with this. Ooh, picturization. Oh, I have so many things to talk about. Oh my god, I wish I knew the meaning. DOP, Jayesh Mohan. Mr. Jayesh Mohan. Editor, yes, Joel. Colorist, wait. Yes, was colorist and the visual effects. Nikesh Ramesh and Vinod Ravindra Nathan. I'll talk about it. Wait, let me. I have like so many things. Okay. There are so many things that even if I do not know the meaning of the song, there are so many things that I want to talk about this particular video just by visuals. Number one, I love how the song started slowly with a very funny single beat, and then slowly when it progresses, it just keeps getting darker and darker and darker. The tone of the song just shifts from start to finish. Initially when it started, I said, is it a funny song? And then suddenly it just took a completely dark turn, which I loved. I did not expect that because of course I do not know the meaning of the lyrics, so I couldn't guess what the song is about. Then at the end they were showing clips of all these burning issues that have gripped in our country recently. So this is a song, I'm guessing, which has a social message. At the end I could feel that, and the way it became darker and darker at the end, especially I loved that entire music break which had this part. Wait. And from this part, see how dark it becomes. And then at the end, it just becomes more and more gritty. So I loved that. And Srinath, of course, sounds great. There was not much melody in the song. This is more like a rap song. There was no melody. But he sounded great. Whatever he was rapping sounded great. I want to really appreciate the work of the visual effects and the DOP. Both of them visually stunning, and the visual effects used stunning. It actually made, like, at the end, all the visual effects used made it even more and more gritty. So I think if I knew the meaning of the lyrics, I would have even understood more the depth and the impact. Like, the song already had an impact, but I think if I knew what it meant, it would have had a much bigger impact on me while I was watching it. So yes, please, if you'd be kind enough to let me know at least the summary of the song, what Srinath was rapping about. I think it's a social message, spreading of a social message, like the voice of the voiceless was. I think it's in the similar lines. And why is it called Cozy Punk? Do let me know. So yes guys, that was my reaction and my 2 cents on this official music video of Cozy Punk. Thank you so much guys for asking me to react to it. Please, any new song or any kind of these kind of videos which come up that I don't get updated on, please, I'll be very happy and very thankful if you are updating me on these things. So yes guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've come till the end of the video. I will see you on my next video guys. Bye bye.